I don't know if there's any rules in this game. She's like, what are the rules? I'm like, I don't know if there are any. Let's see. Here we go. Don't let this is ridiculous. My father would just mess it up. We're 12, by the way. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. You look so cool.
That's how I feel sometimes.
Okay, it's coming. It's coming. She's figuring it out. Anyways, I'm real proud. Hold on, James. Hold on, wait.
Rush concert, and we went to sound check, and we asked James to do a burping contest with my sister, and she did not do so good. So we got in the car, and she just let out the biggest burp of her life. She could have won it. Come on, Brittany. What? Couldn't even done it there.
All right, one more.
All right, here we go. James, if you're watching this, here you go. You're about to lose.
I did horrible. I think it's because I was so scared.
Ready, James?
Oh.
He might be watching this. You never know.
Hold on, it's stuck.
Not that.
Just kidding. That's how they all were then, though.
All right, hang on. She's getting there. We have a winner! We totally won! We beat you fair and square!
Okay, stop.
Oh, we won!
I want to hear that one back.
You lose, James. We win. You lose. Sucker!
Oh, man.
Try to beat that one.
Oh, all right. That was it.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.